In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove multiple accounts on Facebook. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Facebook on your device and sign in into your account. Once you're signed in into your account, go ahead and head over to the menu section by clicking on the menu button at the top right corner of your screen. Now in here, go ahead and click on that icon beside your name on the menu section and click on the Go to Account Center button to be able to head over to the Account Center. Now on the Account Center, go ahead and click on Accounts, the bottom of your screen, and in here you'll be able to find all of the accounts connected to your Facebook account. So to be able to remove multiple accounts on your Facebook account, you can go ahead and click on that remove button beside each of the social media platforms and names used for that specific social media platform. So once you click on that remove button, you'll need to confirm the removal of that account from your Facebook account, and once you have that confirmed, you'll be able to remove the connection of that account to your Facebook account. You can do this multiple times to be able to remove multiple accounts on your Facebook account, and that is how you can simply do that. We hope this video helped you out. If it did, please don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.